Hi everyone, it's Jobel here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use trigger links in HighLevel, how to create them, how to use them, and why they're super helpful in tracking and automating your customer journey. Let's jump right in.
First, what are trigger links? Trigger links are more than just clickable URLs. They don't just redirect someone to a web page. They also track the click inside the contacts record. That means every time someone clicks a link, you can automatically start a workflow, apply a tag, send a follow-up message, and even personalize their journey. So, instead of waiting someone for reply, or take action, you can automate your next move all from one click. It's a smart way to turn basic links into powerful marketing links. So why use trigger links? Now, why should you use trigger links? First, they help you automate responses based on what your contact clicks. You can track engagement across emails, funnels, or even SMS. With just one click, you can personalize the entire workflow. You can even use branded links for a more professional look. They replace repetitive manual steps with smart automations rather. And yes, they work great with custom values, so you can update offers dynamically. Using trigger links can save you hours and hours of manual work and keep your campaigns running smoothly, all with just one click.
Now, let me show you how to set it up. First, go to Marketing, then select Trigger Links and click Add Trigger Link. Give it a name. This is for internal use only, so I will just choose something clear. Then, paste the destination URL, the actual link you want people to visit. Click Save, and that's it. You now have a working trigger link. Now, let's use this trigger link in an email. Let's try sending an email to a contact. Let's create a short message and select trigger link from the drop-down. Choose the one you just created. This way, when your contact clicks that link in the email, HighLevel logs that event and we can use that for automations. Let's now head over to automations. Create a new workflow or open an existing one and set the trigger to trigger link click. Choose the specific trigger link you created. Here, I'm adding an action that whenever the trigger link is clicked, the contact will be tagged as a new lead. Now, every time someone clicks that link, this workflow will run. You can send them a follow-up email, assign a task to a team member, apply a tag, or even notify someone in your team via email or SMS. Lastly, let's check out the Analyze tab. Let's go back to Marketing. Trigger links, click the Analyze icon besides your link. Here, you see how many people click, how many total contacts, and how often. It's a great way to measure interest, engagement, and which links actually drive action. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.